2 nights of luxury and 1 day of dust. Our Palm Springs escape. Our latest adventure was the perfect blend of high-end relaxation and high-octane adrenaline. We spent 3 days and 2 nights centered around the DoubleTree by Hilton Hotel Golf Resort. Palm Springs, a desert oasis that serves as the ultimate base camp for anyone who loves a bit of luxury between trail runs. Relaxing at the DoubleTree Golf Resort. Nestled right at the foot of the majestic San Jacinto Mountains, the resort immediately sets a vibe of total relaxation. After checking in and getting our signature warm DoubleTree cookies, we took some time to explore the facilities. The pool scene. The heart of the resort is an Olympic-sized swimming pool set on a massive 5,000 square foot sun deck with 2 hot tubs and private cabanas. It was the perfect place to soak up the Palm Springs sun. The property is surrounded by a stunning 27-hole championship golf course. Even if you aren't hitting the links, the views of the pristine greens against the rugged desert peaks are incredible. We spent our evenings at Punk'n Kitchen, enjoying Southern California-inspired dishes, and grabbed drinks at the Mirror Bar, which offers a great view of the course. Active amenities. For those with extra energy, they have everything from a top golf swing, suite to tennis courts, and even life-size chests on the lawn. Conquering the Morongo Basin search and rescue run. While the resort was peaceful, the highlight of the trip was definitely getting the tires dirty. We headed out to join the Dirty Player Off-Road Club for the annual Morongo Basin search and rescue. This event isn't just a trail ride, it's a massive fundraiser for the volunteers who keep us safe in the backcountry. We met up at Means Dry Lake in Johnson Valley for a day of desert navigation. The course took us through roughly 25 miles of classic California desert. Sandy washes, rocky climbs, and technical sections that put our rigs to the test. As we hit the 5 different game stations scattered along the trail, we collected cards for the prize drawing at the end. Rolling with the Dirty Player Off-Road Club made the experience. There's nothing like a line of capable 4x4s stretching across the dry lake bed, all supporting a great cause like search and rescue. From the plush beds and mountain views at the DoubleTree to the dust and rocks of Johnson Valley, this trip was the ultimate Palm Springs experience. Boom 87 is all about that balance, exploring the history and culture of the desert by day, and enjoying the best it has to offer by night. Don't forget to like and subscribe.